Introducing the Trading International Optional Referral Program. The information shared in this presentation is not to be considered as financial advice. As members of Trading International, we are not financial advisors. We are merely sharing our personal experience of this opportunity. There is no guarantee that you will experience any or the same results. Please make sure you understand the Optional Referral Program and ask for clarification if you are unsure of any of the points shared in this presentation. This is an optional residual income opportunity which you can share with your family and friends. MTI offers 4 types of bonuses within the Optional Referral Program: a 10% once-off direct referral bonus, 20% weekly binary profit sharing bonus, a 2.5% Part 1 leadership bonus, and a 2.5% Part 2 leadership bonus. All trade profit sharing bonuses are subject to positive daily trading results, which ensures that MTI operates within a financially sustainable model. You will earn a once-off 10% direct referral bonus for every member you successfully refer as your direct referral to MTI, and also for any amounts they add over and above their high watermark shown on their dashboard. You will need at least $100 worth of Bitcoin in your trading account to qualify to earn the 10% direct referral bonus. 20% of the daily gross profit derived from the trading activities is allocated to the weekly residual binary profit sharing pool. The residual binary profit sharing structure works as follows. You may refer new members into your left team and or right team. To qualify for binary profit sharing bonuses, you need a minimum of $200 worth of Bitcoin as your balance in trade, and you need to have personally referred 2 new members, one in your left team and one in your right team, each with a minimum of $100 worth of Bitcoin as their balance in trade. The third member you personally refer will become a spillover for one of the members you introduced before, as you can only place on the outside of your left team or right team. Spillover will also occur when your sponsor or team members above you introduce new members. Spillover, however, is not guaranteed. Members are not bound by their personal performance and are not limited to the number of direct referrals they can introduce to Trading International. 20% of the weekly gross profit derived from trading will be shared among all binary qualified members, according to the Bitcoin total of the qualified levels in your weaker team. When you are binary qualified, your $200 to $999 worth of Bitcoin balance in trade qualifies you to earn on up to 10 levels in the binary structure. Binary profit sharing bonuses do not flush, meaning that should you remain binary qualified, you will earn the binary bonuses on a weekly basis and not once off. As your team grows, you have the option to increase your balance in trade, thereby unlocking additional earnings on further binary profit sharing levels. With $1,000 to $4,999 worth of Bitcoin balance in trade, you qualify to receive binary bonuses up to 20 levels deep. With $5,000 to $9,999 worth of Bitcoin balance in trade, you qualify to receive binary bonuses up to 30 levels deep. And with $10,000 or more worth of Bitcoin balance in trade, you qualify to receive binary bonuses on infinite levels on the binary structure in your weakest team. Binary profit sharing bonuses are paid every Saturday, according to the Bitcoin total of your weaker team depth of qualified levels, creating a weekly residual income. Your maximum binary payout will be capped at $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week. Referral and binary profit sharing bonuses are subject to a 7-day waiting period. For people wanting to grow their businesses even further, there are the additional leadership profit sharing bonuses. To qualify for leadership bonuses, you will need to be leadership binary qualified. To become leadership binary qualified, you must have a minimum of $200 worth of Bitcoin balance in trade. You must have 2 personally referred members, one left and one right. They must be active, each with $200 worth of Bitcoin balance in trade. Next, there are the leadership bonuses. The Part 1 leadership bonus is a sharing bonus, which you and all the other qualified members earn for 8 weeks. The Part 2 leadership bonus is an additional ongoing bonus, which is earned for helping your team members become leadership binary qualified. Once you are Leadership Binary qualified, the requirement to earn a Part 1 Leadership Bonus share is as follows. For every direct referral you have that is Leadership Binary qualified, you earn 1 share in the Part 1 Leadership Bonus pool. As soon as one of your personally referred members earns a share in the Part 1 Leadership Bonus pool, then you automatically qualify for a Part 2 Leadership Bonus share. This is the only requirement to earn a Part 2 Leadership Bonus share. For every personally referred member who qualifies for Part 1 Leadership Bonus shares, you earn additional shares in the Part 2 Leadership Bonus pool. In this example, the structure is Leadership Binary qualified, has 2 P1 shares and 1 P2 share. If there are no trading profits, then there are no binary and leadership profit sharing bonuses. Mirror Trading International is your opportunity to build a dynamic business and begin the journey to financial freedom. To summarize, Mirror Trading International offers you a passive income from trading activities and an optional residual income opportunity. For more information, please contact the person who sent you this presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Reed School or visit us at reedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.